Hello again. Welcome to Tisfula Academy. Today we will see a new concept, theme customization using Tailwind CSS. Customization is something you will definitely need in Tailwind CSS. To understand the concept, we have prepared some examples, an example page. Here, it is simply a hero section with some titles, text, and cards in a grid layout. For now, we have just applied basic, simple styles. The idea is clear. As we've seen in previous lessons, you can control styles however you want. Tailwind already provides many ready-to-use colors and utility classes that cover most of your needs. In real projects, you may need to add your own theme or create custom utility classes. You can always extend Tailwind if the default options aren't enough. For example, if you have your own theme, we can add it in the input.css file where Tailwind CSS is imported, and then add our custom styles. I'll show and explain it now. After importing Tailwind, we have layers. In Tailwind, a layer is a way to organize styles into different levels: base, components, and utilities. Layer base defines default styles applied globally to elements, without using any utility classes. In the base layer, you can add default styles for elements, for instance, changing the body background color to red for testing. To apply this, we run the Tailwind CLI command. This processes the input.css and generates the output.css with our changes. Now, visiting the page, if the style doesn't appear immediately, it might be due to existing classes on the body. Removing them, the background is now red. This is exactly what the base layer does. It defines default styles for elements. Next, we have the utility layer. This layer creates utility classes. Tailwind provides many utilities, but you can create your own custom utility classes. The process is simple. It works like regular CSS. The example here is basic to explain the concept. You can create utility classes for colors, backgrounds, e.g. BG Tisfola primary, BG Tisfola secondary, BG Tisfola-accent, text colors, and more. For instance, you could use CSS variables to set a text color globally instead of writing it repeatedly. You could define a class like color Tisfola primary and reuse it. This approach doesn't only apply to colors, it applies to all CSS properties. You can create utility classes for any property you need. Let's go back to index.html. To change the text to our primary color, we add the class text-full-primary. The text color updates immediately. For buttons, we can set the background to BG full primary for the first button and BG full secondary or text full secondary for the second button. Everything updates accordingly. This is simple and works really well. One advantage of Tailwind CSS is its flexibility. Adding custom styles is easy. By adding a utility layer, you can create new utility classes and use them anywhere. You can control almost everything with custom properties and utility styles. This applies to all CSS properties, not just colors. For example, we also added a shadow class. You could change its color or customize it further, and it works perfectly. In short, Tailwind CSS allows useful customizations easily. That's the end of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. See you next time.